Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we will be featuring the Britax B-Safe Ultra infant car seat. This car seat can be used for babies between 4 and 35 pounds and up to 32 inches tall. We'll start by highlighting some of its features. It has high quality fabrics and padding that resists stains, moisture, and odor. It has a removable infant pillow and an extra large canopy. It also has a 6-position harness and headrest. No rethreading necessary. It's directly compatible with Britax strollers like the Be-Free to give you an easy travel system. Now we'll go over some safety features that they've included. It comes with a base that has an industrial strength steel frame. It also has a European belt path to install if you don't use the base. It has an adjustable recline with bubble indicators to help you install the base properly. The headrest has 2 layers of side impact protection to protect your baby's head, neck, and torso. The base has SafeCell technology, which compresses to reduce the force of a collision and divert crash energy away from your baby. Now we'll go over the installation processes. We'll show you some options with the base. To start, adjust the recline of the seat until the red marker of the bubble indicator is visible between the 2 lines. If you want to install the base using the latch system, begin by pressing and holding the lower connector release button and then pulling the lower connectors out of their storage location. Lengthen the lower connector straps as needed. Place the base on the vehicle seat and press the lower connectors onto the respective lower anchors until you hear a click. While pressing the center of the base into the seat, pull up on the lower connector adjuster straps to tighten. Feed any excess webbing back into the base. Check your installation, making sure that the base does not move more than 1 inch at the belt path. Check the recline bubble indicator as well. If you prefer to install with the vehicle seatbelt instead, pull it down and route the seatbelt through the belt route in the base. Make sure nothing gets twisted and then buckle the seatbelt. Press the base firmly into the vehicle seat while removing all slack. Slide the shoulder belt under the lock-off on the opposite side of the base. Check your installation. Double check the recline bubble indicator as well. Once the base is properly installed with either method, place the B-Safe Ultra into the base until you hear it click. Ensure that the carry handle is in one of the 4 locked positions and check that the recline angle is still correct. To take the seat off the base, simply pull the release lever on the back of the car seat and lift up. If you don't have the base handy, you can also install this car seat using the European belt path. We'll show you how to do that now. First, buckle your child securely into the car seat with the harness, and then place the car seat rear facing onto the vehicle seat. Pull the vehicle seatbelt out and route only the lap portion through the belt guides. Buckle the seatbelt. Wrap the shoulder belt around the shell and through the clip on the back. Push the car seat firmly into the vehicle seat while removing all the slack from the seatbelt. Lock your vehicle seatbelt as instructed by your vehicle owner's manual, and then check your installation. Double check the recline angle, making sure that the level line on the carrier is level to the ground. We love this Britax car seat because you can install it easily with or without a base, making it great if you drive your own car a lot or if you travel often. Thanks for watching. To shop this Britax car seat or any other car seats, go to babycubby.com. We offer free shipping over $25 and we also price match. To learn more about another Britax car seat that we carry, click on this video here. Just remember to like and subscribe to our channel and let us know what content you want to see next. And we'll see you next time.